Unlock the simple power of predicting price movements in just minutes with binary options on Pocket Option. First, let's get you set up on Pocket Option, a user-friendly platform for traders. Once you've created an account, you'll see a clean interface to start. Choose an asset to trade from the list available on the left. For beginners, we recommend starting with popular currency pairs like EUR, USD. Next, you need to select your expiry time. This is crucial in binary options. It's how long your trade will be open. For learning purposes, start with shorter terms, like 1 or 5 minutes. Now, decide how much you want to invest. Remember, always trade with money you can afford to lose. Start small to get a feel for the market. The core idea of binary options is simple: predict whether the price will go up or down by the time your expiry hits. Look at the chart. Candlesticks show price action when a candle closes higher than it opened. It's often seen as bullish, suggesting an upward move. Conversely, if a candle closes lower than it opened, it's bearish, suggesting a downward trend. Observe these patterns to make your prediction. If your prediction is correct, you'll win a predetermined percentage of your investment. If it's wrong, you lose your initial investment. This is why risk management is key. Think of it like this: if you invest $1, you only risk $1. Never over-leverage or invest a significant portion of your capital on a single trade. Stick to small, calculated risks as you learn. So, to make a trade, you choose your asset, expiry time and investment amount. Then, you analyze the chart for potential price direction and click either the trade up or trade down button based on your prediction. If the price finishes above your entry point at expiry, you are in the money and win profit. If it finishes below, you are out of the money and lose your investment. Practice is essential. Use Pocket Options demo account to hone your skills without risking real money. Master these basics, and you're on your way to understanding binary options trading.